English cucumbers contain vitamins and minerals that support digestion and promote healthy skin. Mint can aid in digestion, soothe an upset stomach, and even help with respiratory issues. Honeydew melon is rich in vitamin C and B6, which support the immune system and help with brain function. Plus, it's hydrating and low in calories. Limes are loaded with vitamin C, which supports the immune system and promotes healthy skin. A honeydew and mint smoothie can be a refreshing and healthy choice. Honeydew melon is hydrating and packed with vitamins, while mint can aid digestion and freshen breath.